Hello and welcome to Our Business. The chairman of the Egyptian Stock Exchange expects 7 or 8 companies to list on the bourse by mid-2015. Mohammed Omran later clarified that the listings could occur through various means such as initial public offerings, private placements and direct sales of shares. Omran said these 7 or 8 listings would be in addition to 3 companies which had already listed this year, including Orascom Construction, which began trading in Cairo yesterday after a $185 million public offering that also saw the shares listed on Nasdaq Dubai. The first Arab Social Media Influencers Summit, an initiative launched by UAE's Prime Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has named Google, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn and Yahoo as partners of the summit. The Arab Social Media Influence Summit, which will take place on March 17th to 18th in Dubai, is the first event of its kind in the region and will allow delegates and partners to network, share trends and support the positive use of social media platforms. Leading brands Paul Smith, Jacques Vert and Fortnum & Mason are among the British firms showcasing their products to the UAE market next week. The companies will be in Dubai as part of the second Great Week UAE organised by UK Trade and Investment. The 25-strong delegation from the creative industries is aiming to establish contacts and boost their opportunities in the Middle East. The number of female employees in Saudi's major industrial cities has reached 5,480, distributed across 132 factories, now making up 4.7% of the total industrial workforce. The involvement of women in the industrial workforce is the topic of the first session of the Industrial Opportunities Forum, which will be launched this week. A number of experts will gather to study the involvement of women in industrial investment, with the participation of a number of major companies and funding and consulting bodies, and a number of investors and economists. And finally, a look at the Gulf markets. Saudi Arabia's property stocks were among the main gainers in early trade after the kingdom's housing minister was relieved of his position, which investors may interpret as a push to speed up the state's housing construction program. Dubai and Saudi Arabia's main index edged 0.3%, Egypt was up 0.6%, Abu Dhabi and Qatar edged down 0.3%, while Kuwait and Oman were nearly flat. That's all for now. For more updates, please visit lemonde.tv. We will be back tomorrow with some more from the business world in the Middle East. Goodbye.